Hi, I'm Keely and I work for Ronseal, and we've been creating these videos to really help you out at home. This might be the first time you've ever used some of these products, and they're really easy. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin. I'm a DIY queen, I've been there myself. Hopefully you'll find these really useful. Today we're going to show you how to paint masonry, whether it's render, brick, the whole house or just a garden wall. When painting, try to pick a dry day, preferably above 10 degrees, and where possible, try and avoid direct sunlight. Before painting, we need to inspect the condition of the wall. Prep is really important and we need to fill any small cracks or holes. If you find any cracks or holes, use the Ronseal smooth masonry filler to fix them beforehand. Ensure all cracks and holes are clean, dry and free from algae. Pack the filler in well into the hole and smooth straight over with the applicator that came with the pack. After 1 to 2 hours it'll be dry, then just sand and smooth to level off the surface. Whatever we're painting, we need to make sure the surface is really clean. There's no skipping this part. We can use the fungicidal wash. This will help prevent the build-up of mould, mildew and dirt over the next 6 months. Begin by getting big bits of moss and algae off your wall using a stiff brush, and protect any surrounding plants or grass with a dust sheet. Pour some of the masonry fungicidal wash directly onto your stiff brush and scrub the surface. Leave it to work for 15 to 20 minutes before washing off. A pressure washer is best, but a hose will do. If your wall is old, dusty or chalky, we'll need to prime the surface first. Ideally, we need to use the Masonry Stabilising solution. This will help the paint go further, and we've even tinted it so you can see where it's been. Then just use a brush or a masonry roller and apply as you would paint. To make less mess, try and keep the pressure light. After 4 hours, you'll be ready to paint. Once you've finished the prep, all that hard work is done, we can reach for the Ronseal masonry paint, and this will give you all-weather protection over 15 years. Give the paint a good stir. Using a brush or masonry roller, apply a generous amount of paint. Make sure you overlap your strokes for an even coating. 2 coats should do it, but if it is a bold colour, you may need another. Leave 4 hours dry time, but if it is cold, it may take longer. Once you've finished, wash all your tools in warm soapy water, and that's it, you're done. Ronseal does exactly what it says on the tin.